Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second session of the probability. Now let's look at the problem in previous session. So this is the homework question. What is the sample space when two dice are rolled together? So in this question we have to find the sample space. So let's assume this is die 1 and this is die 2. Let's call it as A, and second die B, first die and second die. If they are rolled together, the possible outcomes these are the possible outcomes of the individual dice. When both are rolled, the sample space is like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, with 2 also, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, and so on up to 6, 6. So total how many elements are there in a sample space? There are 6 square, 36. 36 ordered pairs are there when 2 dice are rolled. When 3 dice are rolled, the sample space contains 6 cube ordered pairs. When n dice are rolled, the sample space contains 6 power n ordered pairs. So this is the answer for the homework question. Now in this session I am going to teach about the events. So first of all, what is an event? We have studied about random experiment and the sample space associated with an experiment. The sample space S serves as a universal set for all questions concerned with an experiment. Consider the experiment of tossing a coin 2 times. Consider this coin tossing 2 times. An associated sample space is given by like this. We have already seen this in session 1. Head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Now suppose that we are interested in those outcomes which corresponds to the occurrence of exactly one head. Exactly one head. We find that head tail and tail head are the only elements of the sample set corresponding to the occurrence of this happening. This is nothing but the event. These two elements are from the head tail, tail head. So this is called a event taken from the sample space. We know this event E is subset of sample space S. Similarly, we find the following number of tails, exactly 2. This is one event. From this we can say that this is the only ordered pair which has 2 tails. So this event has only TT. Now I think you got the idea of the event. Here we can make one statement. The above discussions suggest that a subset of sample space is associated with the event. Subset is associated with the event, and an event is subset of sample space. In the light of this, we define an event like this. In simple words, I will give the definition of the event. Event, any subset E of a sample space is called an event. Now, what are the types of event? Types of events. First one is impossible events. Impossible events are nothing but the empty set phi and the sample space S describe an event. In fact, this phi is called impossible event. So there is no matching between the sample space and this impossible event. Example, rolling a die. We got the sample space as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let E be the event. The number appears on the die is a multiple of 7. This is the event required. Can you write the subset associated with the event, which is subset of S? Phi. There is no element matching with the subset, so it is phi. This is called impossible event. Clearly, no outcome satisfies the condition given in the event. No element of the sample space ensures the occurrence of the event E. We say that the empty set only corresponds to the event E. In other words, we can say that it is impossible to have a multiple 7 on the upper face of the die because there is no multiple of 7 here. Thus the event E is equal to phi is an impossible event. This is one type of event. Second type is simple event. If an event E has only one sample point, then it is called a simple event or elementary event. Now we have already seen that tossing two coins. The sample space is head tail, tail head, tail. From this, sample space is like this. Simple events can be written as HH. Event 2 can be HT. TH. Like this it goes on. Next type is compound event. If an event E has more than one sample point. If an event has more than one sample point, then it is called as compound event. For tossing a for tossing a coin thrice, coin 3 times. If you toss a coin and let E be the event, exactly one head appeared. Exactly one head appeared. It can be even head, tail, 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 head, tail. So these are the event. It has more than one sample point, that's why it is called a compound event. So this is about the event. In next session we will learn about algebra of events and complementary event, the event A or B, A and B, A but not B, like this, and what is mutually exclusive event, exhaustive events. We will learn it in next session. So suppose sample space is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and E is event is given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is exactly matching with the sample space. In this condition, what we call it? Please comment your answer in comment section. I am giving options: impossible event, or sure event. Here the case is S is equal to E. Sample space is entirely matched with the event. Comment your answer in comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.